Hello everyone. So today I will show you how to use Honk app. It's going viral in social media category in US App Store. So the idea behind this app is super simple but very effective. So it's a chatting app, but all your messages are in real time. So there is no chat history. So there are like two screens and each person just sees other person messages. So that's pretty cool. And you can also send like text messages, you can send audio files. There are also other features, like you can use this app as a like random chat with other people. And yeah, so let's just dive in and discover why this app is so popular these days. So here is Honk app. You can get it for free from the App Store. It is only 39 megabytes, and these are some screenshots. So yeah, recently it's in top 10 social media apps in the United States, so that's pretty huge. The main feature here is that that everything is typed in real time, with all the typos, awkward pauses, and all of that. So there is no chat history. Once you send, the message disappears. You can also send photos. Now you can send audio messages. And then you can also use like Meet Friends feature, where this app is kind of like Omegle or random audio chat. Anyway, so let's just dive into the app. So here is how it looks like in the home screen. You need to add friends, but here is just an overview of the app. So I'm just chatting with Honk bot, and this is how the messaging looks like. I just type something and then it disappears. So no chat message, nothing. Then I can also send like emojis. I can add like photos. And then I just tap this button in the bottom right. So there is like a limit of 160 characters. And that's that. If someone is away from the chat, you will see like left the chat, and then I can just tap like a Honk button to get the attention. Also recently you can use an audio messages. Hey, audio message. And then again it's sent. The other person can just listen to it, and then you can just tap send, and then it disappears. So it's kind of super real-time messaging. I think it's a really nice idea. Then you can tap in top right to change chat settings. So you can change like a chat theme, for example. So just select like different colors and all of that. There are like magic words, so you can add like emoji reactions as you type. So that's another feature. And then you can also mute chat. So that's basically it. Pretty cool. So that's basically how you chat. So to add friends, tap in top right, and here you can just search for someone, and then you can just add someone, and then you can see how many characters they typed, how many honks sent when they joined. You can also tap to block in top right, or you can tap in top left to report. But that's how you add a friend basically. So you need to know the username of your friends, and then you can just add them. You can also copy link to your profile in top left. As well, you can, for example, share like Honk sticker on Snapchat. So there it is. And then you can just send to your story or whatever. You can also send it to Instagram, iMessage, on other messengers where which you are using. You can also add your contacts. So just tap this orange button and you will add your contacts to your address book. So that's basically just how you add friends. The more friends, the better here, and then you can just chat with them. Another cool feature is in the bottom, which is called Meet Friends. So basically, this is kind of like a random chat. So you can add your interests, like add your profile, add interest, zodiac sign, your gender, location, and then you can just meet people around your location. And you can also choose whether others can send you images and audio in a chat. So let's start exploring. And this is kind of like a monkey app or like Omegle app or something like that. And then you can just chat with someone, or you can skip. So this is just to give you an idea. And that's it. So that's how you use this feature Meet Friends if you can't add any friends just from the app. Finally, there is your profile in top left. So here is your profile. If you tap on it, this is your, again, this is how it looks like. You can change your status here. Then you can edit your profile. So you can change emoji skin tone. You can change image. So if you're changing image, sometimes you can just use emoji here. So that's pretty cool. You can edit name or edit username. Then there are push notifications, sounds if you want. Then there is like help and support. You can contact support. Then there is your icon in top left, where again you can customize reactions. You can change quick reaction when you double tap. So that's a cool feature. You can enable dark mode. This is how it looks like. You can manage your friends. You can hide your profile. So you can, if you hide your profile, you basically will disable your friend requests and hide from suggestions, and you can manage blocked users. And also in the bottom, you can just tap to delete your account. So that's pretty neat that they allow you to delete an account right from the app, because in many other apps, in my experience, it's just not possible to delete an account. You need to reach out to support, write emails. But here, if you can delete an account, it's kind of a cool sign. Also, here, if you want to log out, just log out in the bottom. But that's that basically. So that's the app. It's quite popular these days. So definitely try it out, have fun. Add friends, add your colleagues. And if you like this overview, just push that like button. It's super easy for you. Just right now push that like button so more people can see this video and discover this super cool Honk app. Also, if you want, you can subscribe, because I make videos about super cool apps, and you don't want to miss when some new app is arriving. I also have a website, mrhack.io, and podcast. So all of that stuff, you can check it out. But anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.